everybody! Today we are diving into the world of management accounts. Understanding management accounts is crucial, so let's get stuck in. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. If we've never met before, hi, my name is Rachel and I am a disruptor in the accounting industry. And so I'm disrupting what it means to be an accountant, what it feels like to have an accountant, and disrupting the concept that you can't scale a business to 7 figures without losing yourself along the way. I create long and short form content across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And I actually create content for training accountants, business owners, and practice owners. And I really love it when a video gives me the opportunity to talk to all of my audience at the same time. And that is on topics like management accounts. Today, we are diving into the world of management accounts. So whether you are a business owner, a trainee accountant, a manager, somebody who is now attending board meetings for the first time, or you are just someone who is curious about financial management, for all of those segments of my audience, understanding management accounts is crucial. So let's get stuck in. So if we first look at trying to understand what exactly are management accounts. Management accounts are a financial report that provide a complete overview of a company's performance, their financial health, and their future prospects. Unlike statutory financial information, which are prepared annually and for external stakeholders like Companies House and HMRC, management accounts are actually prepared very regularly, so usually monthly or quarterly, and their primary purpose is to inform the internal stakeholders like management and decision makers within the business. So that's some insight into what management accounts are, who we prepare them for, but let's talk about how to prepare management accounts. The first step in preparing management accounts is to gather some data. And so we want to pull together all of the necessary financial information together within the business. And so this will include income statements like profit and loss accounts, balance sheet accounts, cash flow forecasts, and any other relevant information that the board and decision makers might like to see. And so the first thing to do is to gather that data, make sure the data is up to date, accurate, and correct. And so as accountants, we will do this by adjusting some of the profit and loss accounts and balance sheet accounts. So we'll be adjusting for things like prepayments, accruals, deferred income, prepaid income. And so we're doing that to make sure that the data that is being reported is not only up to date, but it's really, really accurate. Step 2 is to analyze the data. So once we've gathered the data, it's then time to get stuck in. So we're going to be looking for those prepayments, those accruals. We're going to be looking for trends. We want to identify areas of strength and identify areas of weakness within the financial data that we are looking at. We'll then also want to compare the actual performance to the budget and the forecast that we set out at the beginning of the year. This analysis is going to provide you and the people that you are preparing the data for with valuable insights into the financial health of your business, the business that you work for, or your clients to really help you make very informed financial decisions. So the next step is to report. And so after analysing the data, taking that financial deep dive, it's time to prepare the actual management account report. Now, this report should include key financial metrics, KPIs or key performance indicators, such as revenue, expenses, profit margins, and expected future cash flow. We can present this information in various formats that suit you best as a business owner. So it could be things like tables, charts, graphs, which can make it easier for people to understand rather than just looking at a big list of numbers. And so the final step, once we've prepared the report, is to really deep dive and lean into the interpretation of those numbers. So once the management account report is actually prepared, it's then essential to interpret our findings and translate that into the people that we are reporting to. So what do these numbers mean for your business? Are there any areas that require your attention or improvement? We're going to use the insights that we've gathered from preparing the management accounts to really set your business up for growth and success. So for me as an accountant, at a very high level, management accounts are the financial statements that we prepare to give insight inside the financial year, monthly or quarterly, to prepare data for the board. We do that following a 4-step process, which involves firstly, gathering data, secondly, analysing that data, third is reporting, and finally, we've got the interpretation of those numbers. If you're a business owner and you've been searching for this content because you think you might need some management accounts cash flow forecasting, or some high-level consultancy to lean into and interpret your numbers, then you are in the right place. I own a rapidly scaling accountancy practice where we work with over 700 business owners to support them on exactly the same journey. And so if you're interested in becoming a client, you can use the link in the description to this video to book some time to chat about your future accounting needs. The very best way to support me as a creator is to hit the thumbs up button, to hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time I release a juicy video like this one. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you've learned all about management accounts, and I hope to see you again very soon.